Mechanical engineers typically deal with the use and design of machines. In the past, this involved developing new technologies such as the steam engine and the first car. Nowadays, there is a new technology appearing on the forefront of engineering: 3D printing. 3D printing works by layering a material to create the desired part. While 3D printing is still a relatively new technology, its positive impacts are already starting to be seen all over the world. The customization it provides makes it very applicable in creating prosthetics and other medical devices for humans where each person is different and you need to be able to tailor each part to each patient. When it comes to early stage designs, 3D printing is significantly better than current design processes, as it is cheaper and faster to produce a model. Additionally, 3D printing has substantial in-home application possibilities, such as the production of replacement parts. These factors combine to make 3D printing an important mechanical engineering innovation that is changing society for the better. One of the things that makes humans special is that each and every person is different. While this diversity has contributed to making society what it is today, it makes it hard for medical professionals to design prosthetics that fit everyone. One solution to this problem is 3D printing. Now, doctors can start with a base 3D model and then tailor it to exactly match the specifications that each individual patient has. This technology has become especially important in developing or war-torn countries that do not have the same access to modern prosthetics. Companies have now developed customizable prosthetic sockets that allow the creation of specific limbs that accomplish the task required. Further, it is very unlikely that the design piece will fit correctly the first time that it is made. This means that it will likely need to be made multiple times in order to get the correct functionality. 3D printing allows this process to take days instead of weeks, which can be critical in life-threatening situations. Mechanical engineers deal with the use and design of machines, and these design processes typically start with creating models and prototypes. As discussed previously, 3D printing can significantly decrease the time it takes for a model to be made. Rather than starting with a piece of plastic and then milling, drilling, and turning it to get the correct piece in a process that takes a significant amount of technician time, designers can now upload a model to the 3D printer and have the prototype ready in a fraction of the time traditional methods would take. This helps to facilitate the fact that the design phase is a wildly iterative process that requires a large number of models to be made. Furthermore, 3D printing supports a wide range of materials ranging from plastics to metals. The range of materials available allows multiple prototypes to be built with different materials. Then, the designer can choose which material best suits their needs after testing the part. Another area where 3D printing can change society for the better is in the consumer's home. Many devices that we use every day have parts in them that need to be replaced every couple of years due to wear and tear or other failure. This results in consumers having to go get a part that may not be widely available and may not be needed that often. 3D printing presents a solution to this problem: in-house printing. Now, companies can upload the digital schematics of their parts that consumers can download and print for themselves. This helps to reduce the problem of warehousing, where companies are forced to keep large warehouses of replacement parts that may be very seldomly used. Additionally, if these parts have a shelf life, they'll have to be thrown out at some point. If instead, the consumers were to print these parts whenever they needed them, this would no longer be a problem. This will also free up more land for other residential or commercial use. Overall, it can be shown that 3D printing is an important mechanical engineering innovation that is changing society for the better. In the area of medicine, it allows doctors to create customized parts for each and every patient. It allows designers and innovators to go through a series of different prototypes when creating their designs, and provides a cheaper and faster method of production as compared to the classical design process. Finally, it allows consumers to print the replacement parts they need in-house rather than forcing companies to spend unnecessary time, money, and space on building and storing seldom used parts. While 3D printing is still a relatively new technology, it has the capability to change the world as we know it. Thanks for watching!